For me, part of it is nostalgia. The other part is it's more affordable. That's why I like consignments just like this. All right, here we go. Welcome to HB RV Lifestyle. They call me the Honey Badger because I give it to you straight and transparent about the RV business. This is a pre-owned Montana 3585RL. It is going to sell for less than $25,000 as 3 slide outs and a few surprises. Now, if this is the first time you've seen one of my videos, I do about a 5 to 6 minute walkthrough of the entire fifth wheel and talk about it without any sound effects, special effects, or weird editing. So let's get started. All right, got the MORryde pin box. The cap is in good shape. As you can tell, it's just peeling. Most of the graphics are pretty shot, but outside of that, there's no delamination. The roof's in really good shape. It's got an auto level system. The weight, GVWR, is 15,785 pounds. Cargo capacity of 3,405 pounds. So roughly about 12,300 pounds dry. You got hot water heater. Now, you got to realize I just got this, so I haven't washed it yet, so forgive that. It might be a little dirty. And then the customer also scraped the side. Now, there's no actual structural damage or anything of that nature. It's just basically scratched and scraped. 50 amp service, nice big windows, hitch on the back for like a bike rack. Like I said, I got this about 15 minutes ago, and I already walked on the roof. It looks really good. I'm not going to have time in the video to do that. I know a lot of people, why'd you just climb on the roof? Well, guys, you have to understand something, okay? When I do one of these videos, I can't satisfy everybody. There are people go, oh, just get to the point already. And then there's people, why can't you walk on the roof? I can't satisfy everybody. So I'm not even going to try to. I'm just going to do things my way. If you like pictures of the roof because you're interested in purchasing it, you can look in the description box below, and the website of where it's located is there. Now, the customer put a brand new Norcold 4-door propane electric refrigerator. So they put it in about 2 months ago. It's got a convection microwave, 3-burner stove, big oven, lots of kitchen counter space. Look at all the prep space in here. Absolutely gorgeous. All the cabinets and drawers are in good shape. Now, one of the downsides, it is a 2012, so it's got incandescent lighting. Basically, you're going to want to probably replace it with LEDs eventually. It does have the pop-up flat screen TV, fireplace, and the Samsung DVD Blu-ray player. You also have great options of putting your own furniture in here. So right here normally would be like a sleeper sofa. They had it removed. They preferred the 3 recliners that they put in themselves. So that's not from Keystone. That's actually aftermarket. And then right here used to be freestanding table and chairs. So you have lots of options to add your own furniture however you decide. Or if you're going to live in it, maybe you're going to park it somewhere on a lake, or maybe you're going to full time, you could put a desk over here. Lots of options, especially since you're saving so much money over a brand new one. No valances, just nice little pull down shades going across, except for this window, okay? Now, the other really cool part is that they put a combo washer dryer in there that completely is functional. It's got a central vacuum system, pantry. They put in a digital thermostat to run the air conditioner and furnace. Now, this is the old school split bath with a tub. So it's got a little miniature tub with the big shower. Now, they don't do that anymore like they used to. And then the toilet and sink are separate. Fantastic fan. You also have a separate AC for the bedroom. They actually added this aftermarket. This was not here originally. It was just shelving. And then you got a big closet, walk around queen bed, lots and lots of space. You actually have 2 sinks for the bathroom, which is really, really cool. And this air conditioner actually is twist style, so it runs separately instead of having to use a thermostat. Again, if you want exact pricing, I know it's going to sell for under $25,000 you want exact pricing, that is in the description box below. And in the top right-hand corner is another used fifth wheel that I recently sold to kind of give you a comparable. So until next time, remember that RV always stands for toolkit and sense of humor.